What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This vlog is coming straight from Tulum. We are here and made it to the home. I'll show you guys in the morning what it looks like. Super cute. Right now I'm just hurrying up, about to change out of these clothes and take a shower and get ready for the night to go get some food, get something to eat. I'm just unpacking, getting my stuff out and into the drawers, and then I'm about to get ready to go to dinner. So I will see you guys soon. I just had to make my quick little intro, but from Tulum with love. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience.
My hair is not gonna last, but it's okay. So we made it to dinner. We made it to La Taqueria. I cannot say. Taquera. I ordered a pina colada and a quesadilla. Say hi, guys, if you want to be in the vlog. Hi! Handmade, authentic. Okay, let's go get some hookah. I'm ready when you're
My favorite thing. I'm so excited. I haven't had hookah in months.
Me?
Well, not months.
Well, it ain't been months. It's been a minute.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming in with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the dust to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must.
Good morning. It is currently the next day. It is, ooh, alarms going off at 7 a.m. We are up early getting ready for the boat, and I'm tired, but I'm gonna sleep on the way there. So I just did a little makeup look, which I just put concealer on and my Fenty Beauty stick to have the shine and blush, and then I'm about to change into my swimsuit. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear yet. I have this like two-piece from Matte collection, and then I just have like a one-piece, but I can't decide. This is a one-piece too, really, but the back is all out, so we will see. It's giving boat. My hat is from Aritzia, and then I have this white swimsuit. It's just from Shein. I'm wearing my black Prada bag, and then I have like a black slip to just cover my legs or whatever, but this is my vibe. Guys, we just got off the boat. It was so much fun. I don't think I had enough footage, but I got enough for you guys to see what the vibes were. Now we're here in the pharmacy. I cut my leg on the boat. Getting off the ladder, I cut my leg. I have a big old gash, so I have to get band-aids and antibiotic. at the pharmacy. But we're headed home, and the boat was so much fun. Just got out the shower and it's light outside, so I'm gonna show you guys the house tour. I'm on a group trip, so some of them went to the shops to go shopping, and I just took a shower. I'm about to take a nap because I can't hang, and it was raining, but now it's sunny. So anyways, here's the front door. We have a room here, 2 beds. Don't mind all the stuff. Room here, 2 beds, but they're in the shower right now. Here is the living space. It's so cute, lots of room with the chandeliers, and then the little mirror here. The only thing about this place is there's no full body mirror. It's like, how do you have no full body mirror? We can't see what our outfits look like. But it's still cool. Anyways, then moving on, there's like this little space here that you can open. I think it's open. Oh. All the way. And it's just like greenery and vibes. You can keep it open for the living room or keep it closed. And it goes all the way up. So pretty. With the stones too, that's so cute. I tried to take a picture right here, but the lighting is so bad. Oh no, I'm here still. I just got the shower. The dining table, the little kitchen area. They have the water stocked up because you know about the Mexico water. Gotta be careful. Then the best part here is the backyard. Oops, I keep locking the door on accident. It's raining a little bit, sprinkling, but I'll show you guys from here. There's like a seating area, more greenery. The pool. Another little seating area and a hammock. I think it's broken. And then this wall here. It's kind of messy right now here. But here is the bathroom. Each like room has a bathroom, and then the showers all the same. You have like a window, the glass door, and then the floor is like wood. It's so cute. Here's the master bedroom. A mess. Don't look too close. Here's my little area with my stuff here. I need to clean, and then my suitcase. I've been doing so good, y'all. Normally I pack too much. I carried a big suitcase just so I can have room, but I feel like I packed just the right amount of clothes. And me, I'm like the worst overpacker in the world, because I'm like, what if I need outfits? What if I need options? But I just tried everything on before, made my outfits in according to the itinerary, and I think I did a pretty good job. Also, from the master bedroom, you can walk out to the little area that I just showed you guys. Here's the door right here, and chill. And you can just keep the windows open for the views. But that's it for the tour. That's it for the little house tour. I'm about to take a good nap, a slight little nap before I get ready. And we're going to dinner tonight. So of course, I'm gonna show you guys the vibes. We're getting ready for dinner. This is the outfit of the day. Is this knit dress. I think I got this from Fashion Nova. And I'm mad because I didn't bring another purse, but I'm just gonna wear this one again. And I'm just gonna throw some sandals and call it a day. I tried to take my boobs up too, but it's clearly not given. They need to be like this, but whatever. This is like the outside entrance to the apartment. And then you walk out and there's like a pathway. It's so cute for a picture. And this place, if you guys want to know where I'm staying, is the Bungalow Village. Bungalows Village.
Because it's only burrito, baby. And I'm not doing anything. Oh, I thought this was the purse for a second. I don't know why I thought this was your purse.
Good morning, guys. We made it to the restaurant Burrito Amor. We're about to eat some breakfast. I just ordered a matcha. Or smoked pork. Is this smoked pork?
It's on the days. This shit is hot, baby.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait a second.
So we just came back from breakfast and we walked around and did a little shopping. I want to show you guys what I got because it's so cute. This is my outfit for the day. It's just this Lululemon one piece. It's so cute. Goes all the way down, like kind of like a capri. Super comfortable. It's the Align material, so it's just hot. It's just hot, and we're gonna chill before we get ready for Taboo. So let me show you guys what I got though. Oh, the dress is so cute. First thing I got was this little fan. It was $5 and it is such a great fan. It's like wefted, so the airflow is amazing. Then I got this really cute dream catcher. I'm obsessed. The color. I'm gonna hang it up in my apartment. But it's pretty big as well. Here's my hand. And it's giving vibes. Giving dreams. Dreams and aspirations. And watermelon. Berry. Peach.
It smells really good.
Yeah, Magic Love is
It smells
giving.
fruity, but like
Ooh, grapefruit with
there's
mint.
a little mint in there too.
We're about to get the hookah started. We got the hookah out. It's such a vibe. On our little area.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa, yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him.
I look a hot mess, but we made it to the airport and we're at Starbucks. I got my iced coffee with 3 pumps of white mocha and oat milk. I swear it tastes better here, but we just got our COVID test, so we're just waiting for that before we check in. That shit hurts so bad. But now we have to wait 30 minutes for the test. You need a test to go back home, so we're still ready to go home.